Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss how to install Django Python framework in Windows 10. So we know that Django is a Python framework. So first you have to install Python in your Windows 10. So how to install Python in Windows 10? First you have to download Python from the website python.org download Python. It's downloading. It's an exe file and it's come around 25 MB size. After it's downloading, make sure that you have to install by double clicking on it, and you have to make sure that the path for the environment variable set. So next is we have to check Python is installed or not. In my system already I installed Python, so I'm checking in the command prompt Python. So it may take me to Python editor section. So it shows that Python is already installed and is running good. It's running everywhere from the command prompt. So its environment variable also set. So I exit from the Python editor. Next is I have already one directory created Django v1. Here only we are going to install that. So I'm going inside the product, inside the folder Django v1. So spelling mistake. Django. So whatever the name you are given. So we have so space I have given. So that's why it's not coming. So cd Django version 1. So we are inside the directory. Next is you have to install Python. Pipe is installed or not. Pipe is already come with higher version. After Python 3.4, every version pipe should be there. Here Python version is 3.6.7. So automatically pipe will be built in there. So next is virtual environment install using Python. So you type pipe install virtual environment. So that's done. And you create a virtual environment for your site. Just like on my blog, virtual environment my blog. So virtual environment creating for my blog. It will take a little bit time. Installing setup tools, pipe and wheels. Pipe already is there. We have to activate that pipe. That's done. Already it's completed successfully. So virtual environment is there. Next is we have to activate that created virtual environment. We have created my blog is a virtual environment. My blog script activate. So here you can see the virtual environment for my blog. Next is the main steps how to install Django. Here we have to use pipe install Django. So I will copy that, copy it, pipe install Django. It will take little bit time installing Django from Python stereo.com or website. Collecting packages for Django. We know that a lot of packages are already built in with Django. So we can easily import the packages in your coding sessions. See, it's end up with successfully install Django in your system. So this is my blog section. Here we have library and all is there. Django version is there. Next is how to run that. Django admin start a project. My website. So I'm going to start a new project. My website. So the command Django admin start project my website. So already setups are done. So if you go here, you can see automatically my website folder is created. Inside that there is a manage py.file is there. This is the structure of that import OS, import system, and some manage files. And inside one more folder with same name, my website is created is default will create. There is a settings there. Here we can set all settings we can add, configuration, install app, any new app you are adding with this thing you can include here. Then template files section, root configure URLs, applications, database. You can mention database here. So that and all we'll discuss in later topics. Here just we have to show this file structure, that's all. There is a URL file, so py.py file is there, url.py. Inside that only we are adding all URL. This is add path for admin, then admin site URL. We are importing path admin. So that and all we'll discuss in later. So this is basic file settings, URL, WSI, and there is a manage.py in the root directory. So this is all the structure. So we have done that. Next is go inside the website directory. Here I am going in sequence cd my website. It's take me to inside the folder. Then this is the main command you have to run the server for Django. Python manage.py run server. We saw that file manage.py. That is the main file for running the server. So Python manage.py run server is the most used command for running the server. Django server. See, Django is ready. So show Django version 2.0 using setting my website settings starting developer server. So this is address to open Django. So we can open here. See the install working successful. Congratulations. You are seeing this page because debug is true in the settings, config settings section. You can see that debug is true in the settings sections. Static URL, language. Here we have mentioned debug is true. If you want to debug your Django, you can give it here false. So this is the basic setup for Django website. So it's running correct successfully. So this is like how we can run that specific comments like that. So when we do any changes, you have to run manage, Python manage, make migration and migrate. So when you are adding more